Hi folks, it's Max from HiOnAndroid.com, where we get on Android every day. Today let's talk about Wi-Fi Tether. In most countries, other than the US, you don't have to pay an extra charge for Wi-Fi tethering off your phone, off your existing data plan. Now in the US, AT&T, Verizon and Sprint, they'll charge you twice for the same internet you already pay for, which is ridiculous. And they should make it illegal for them to charge you twice for the same internet you already pay for.
Why are they charging me twice? Damn it!
I mean, it's ridiculous. They're charging you twice for the same internet. You already pay for 1 gigabyte of data, whether you're using that off your smartphone, tethering to your computer or another Wi-Fi device. It shouldn't matter. You should never have to pay twice. For example, let's say you have 2 gigs of data. Now, if you want to tether, you'll have to pay extra $20, $30 per month just to get Wi-Fi tether working. Now, it's ridiculous what they're trying to do, but there are ways around it. If you have a rooted Android device, you can always get free Wi-Fi tether without paying your carriers twice.
So if you're tired of paying extra tethering charges and letting carriers screw you every month with extra $20, $30 that you would rather spend at your local strip bar,
let's fight back and let me show you a universal Wi-Fi tether method that works on any rooted Android smartphone and tablet. And let's go do this, baby. Hi folks, so I've got my T-Mobile Galaxy S2 here. Also, I thought of this idea of making this video because today I was trying to Wi-Fi tether on my T-Mobile Galaxy S2, and boom, it will redirect me to T-Mobile's website where, oh, you gotta buy this tethering package to make it work. Well, there are ways to around it. So let me go ahead and show you. First thing you can do on non-rooted Android devices, you can download this app called FoxFi. This will work actually on most Motorola devices like the Verizon Galaxy Nexus, Verizon, any of the Verizon Droid Razors. Usually it will work. Now, if this doesn't work, my next suggestion to use is Wi-Fi Tether app here. Wi-Fi Tether app for rooted users. This one works for most Android smartphones, so you'll need root for this one. Now, there are times where this doesn't work, which is this one, the latest Jelly Bean update on the T-Mobile Galaxy S2. The regular Wi-Fi tether method doesn't work. And also, it doesn't work on some of the newer Jelly Bean updates because the carriers love trying to block users from using those apps. But there's another way you can do it, and let me show you that today. Go ahead and go to downloadandroidrom.com. I'll have the actual link, download link on my site, so you can check it out in the description. Or you can also go here, go to APK at the downloadandroidrom.com and go to Wi-Fi Tether directory there, and go to Trev E right there. All right, and then go to go download the Wi-Fi Tether v3_3-pre2.apk. This is a Trev E mod Wi-Fi Tether app. It's similar to the Wi-Fi Tether app for rooted users with the you just saw on the Play Market. But go ahead and download it. Just type the CAPTCHA here to download, and this will download the file, and it should take just like 10 seconds. There you go. And once it's downloaded, use your favorite file explorer app. I like to use ES File Explorer, and let me go ahead and find the app. It might be downloaded to no. Let's go back here. There we go. There we go. So it should be there. Wi-Fi Tether blah blah.apk. Go ahead and install it. If you get unknown sources error, just go to settings and check off unknown sources, and then go ahead and open it. All right, and go to settings here, and let me show you how to set it up. This is probably the most important part. Change device profile to generic ICS JB WLAN 0. All right, and also change setup method to NTD NDC master. All right, and also make sure send netd max client CMD is on, and also you can set your Wi-Fi encryption, whatever you like. for purpose of this demo, I'll just use 8 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? And change your SSID to whatever you want. So we'll do whatever you want. But seriously, you can just name it whatever you want. And also, make sure Wi-Fi driver reload or Wi-Fi driver reload 2 is on. I recommend the Wi-Fi driver reload 2, but if this doesn't work for some reason, you can try the first one. And keep going down, and make sure MSS clamping and routing fix is on. It is usually on by default. And that's about it. And we're going to go ahead and start tethering. And this works on most rooted Android smartphones. Actually, I haven't found any time that it didn't work. Make sure you hit grant for super user request there. And once it starts and you don't get any errors, you should be all good to go. What you can do is go to show log, and if you don't see any errors, you're all good to go. So let me go ahead and connect it from my Galaxy Note 2 here. And let's go ahead and connect it. Go to settings, Wi-Fi, and then go Wi-Fi. No, there we go. Where is it? Whatever you want. I got it there. I'm gonna put 8 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. And if you got connected, you should be all good to go. And you'll hear a vibration on your other phone that it connected, and you can actually see which device connected. See, there's Android connected there. So you're all good to go, but just the internet has to work, and just type anything in your browser. And if it works, then you're all good to go. Now, the reason why I had to use Trevi mod on the T-Mobile Galaxy S2 again is that if I use the mobile hotspot, this one also has been hacked, but it will still redirect me to the T-Mobile Wi-Fi hotspot website. So this will work on pretty much any rooted Android device. I've also tested on Verizon when it was all blocked, but this method works just fine. And also should work just fine on Sprint, all the US carriers, and will even work if you live in another country where your carrier blocks you for not, unless you pay for Wi-Fi tethering, which I think is ridiculous. Anyway, this guy should, help you get free Wi-Fi tethering on any rooted Android device. And yeah, that's about it. Hi folks, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, as always, don't forget to hit that like button from here, subscribe button down there, and stay high on Android. And don't forget to share this with your friends on Twitter, Facebook, or Google+. Knowledge is power!